Hey, it's neurodivergent Lily with a face this time. What a surprise. Maybe it's just my channel, but when folks self-promote on my videos and posts, those comments are not automatically visible. I checked my comment restrictions, I have none, and I scoured my comments through the lens of a viewer as well as a comment moderator, and I still can't find the comments. Because I am interested to hear what you guys are creating, I've created a post for folks to self-advertise in a specific format that should get past that automatic deletion status, which is not controllable by content creators as far as I'm aware, and you're welcome to copy it for yourself if you're also a content creator looking to support your community. It's basically just leaving facts about your project in a neutral manner on a post that sets the expectations for how others should interact with the comments. You write important data like your name and pronouns, the project name and description, the desired outcome and target audience, as well as a few fun facts to entice that target audience. This bypasses phrases that I've noticed get caught by YouTube, like self-promo, support me, sub for sub, which by the way is not allowed by YouTube. Don't sub for sub, only subscribe if you're actually interested. And the phrase like, please check it out, that tends to get caught. I don't know why. So if you want to share your project, you have a space and format to do so freely now. You still have some filler content to keep you entertained after the Owl House ends. Okay, that's it. Have a good day. Bye!